Hello everyone, my name is Sharad and studying LKG in our Santiniketan Engineering School. Purita accident and both house animals, dog scanner, pet case, house cook, stable, bonus, spider lamp, bees eye, cow said, cancer. Hello everyone, my name is Sayanvi. I am studying LKG in our Isantiniketa Middle School, Gorinta. Next time what? Vegetables. Tomato, brinjal, onion, carrot, potato, cauliflower, beans, chilies, beetroot. Thank you everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Susanna. I am studying LKG in our Shanti Niketan English Medium School, Gorunta. My explaining my goals, household articles, wall clock, fan, mirror, sofa, glass, television, plate, bucket, mug. Thank you, sir.